In this video, I'll show you how to change the language in your Mailchimp account quickly and easily. Whether you work with a global team or just prefer another language, the process is super simple. Once you log in, go to the top right corner of your dashboard and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, you'll see your current language setting, usually set to English by default. Click on it and Mailchimp will take you to your account preferences. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick Mailchimp tips. Now, under Select Language, scroll through the list of available options and pick the language you want. Once selected, your entire Mailchimp interface will instantly switch to that language. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Mailchimp language settings. It's a fast way to make your account more accessible and personalized. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe for more easy Mailchimp guides.